Okay, so looking at the summary here for the log form, y equals ab to the x. We have seen how to change forms between the exponential and the log form. Now we consider how to write the exponential form in log form. So notice the difference is that we have a multiplier out front now, the a value. And before we're just looking at y equals b to the x. Okay, this can be done using the following procedure. Write the exponential form as, in other words, divide both sides by a. So you have y over a equals b of x. And we did that in a previous example in this lesson, probably example 5 or 6. Now we can change this to the log form. Again, we'll be logging this value. We'll have the base b, and it should equal the exponent x. So here we have it right here. Okay. Last two examples. Change each of the following from exponential form to log form. Okay. Now notice we have a 2 here, so bring it over. Divide both sides by 2. This will become the value of what gets logged. Log y over 2, the base 3 will equal x. Here we have it. Again, divide both sides by 7. Log of h over 7 to the base 4 will equal k. So that's a good way to read it actually. It follows, because that's how you write the equation. As you log this side, it will be base 4 and equal k. So if you write your exponential functions with the exponent on the right hand side of the equation, then you can log this side, this value here, with the base, whatever the base happens to be, in this case 4, and it will equal the exponent. So here we'll divide both sides by r, it'll be t over r, we'll get log t of r, base s will equal p. Here we'll multiply by 2 over 3, if you want to look at it like that. It's dividing by a fraction is multiplying by its reciprocal. And therefore log of 2 over 3y base 10 will equal x. Changing the following from log to exponential, we can use the drop, swing, bump method. We drop this value that's being logged, so that gets dropped. This swings over and bumps the x up. Drop, swing, bump will give you y over 3 equal to 7 to the x. We can now solve for y just simply by multiplying both sides by 3. Same here, we'll drop the y over 4 down, we'll swing the 10 over and bump the x up. Now we can multiply both sides by 4. Here we'll get 7y, swing the 5 over to bump the x up, divide both sides by 7, we get the following. Now remember, it won't be 5 divided by 7 because 5 has the exponent attached. We'll get 1/7 times 5 to the x. Here we'll drop the y over 5 down, swing the e over to bump the x up. You can multiply both sides by 5 and you get the following. So please do all the questions in this assignment. If there's, I don't have my book with me, but if there's multiples, lots of A, B, C, D, E, F, G or whatever, then you can use your discretion to do odds if it gets too redundant. And if you really know how to do it, then just move on to the next question, or at least try the harder letters in that particular question. And we'll see you in class.